Today I'm going to show you how to check a cylinder head forwardness. You're going to need two tools. You're going to need a straight edge. This is a machine precision tool. And a feeler gauge. The gauge has different blades of different sizes. Now when you check the surface of the cylinder head, you're going to check in 5 different places. Here, and the edges, and across each side. You're going to get the manufacturer specification, and you're going to get a straight edge and a feeler gauge, and you're going to put it underneath. If it fits under there, you're going to go to the next size higher. If it doesn't fit, you're going to go to the next size lower. Once you get the side where it goes in with a little tension, then compare that to the manufacturer specification.